Charlie Tango 343. Charlie Tango 343. Calling secure. Hello? Charlie Tango 343. Charlie Tango 343. Calling secure. No problem. 108. 108. You're 5 at 959 QSL.
Yeah, you're the same here as well. The name here is Adam. You're off the entrance standard. I'm up on the Isles of Lewis, down Hebrides on the west coast of Scotland. You're from Cornwall originally, been up for about 15 years. These conditions have been pretty good the last few days. Back to you.
Absolutely amazing, Adam. Absolutely amazing, mate. It's only been going for the last hour, though. Operator name is Tone Tango Oscar November, and I'm just down by the Dartford Bridge. The Dartford Bridge, the QE2 bridge, what crosses over the River Thames, over.
Yeah, copied on that, Tony. It's incredible, isn't it? I mean, you know, it could just be, I mean, for that sort of signal normally on FM, where you'd either be down the end of the road, you know, or not far away, even with a home base antenna. It's incredible. I've just been listening on Channel 19 and heard you call in there, and I don't know if you get the same. Do you like, you'll be hearing a conversation from one part of the country, and then the next second it's somewhere completely different. Back to you, Tony.
Yeah, mate, 100%, 100%. I'll make you right. No problem. I'll tell you what, mate, your audio's nice. I'm on the Yaesu FT817, pushing about 100 whiskies your way, mate, but I'm only 12-foot ASL. 12-foot ASL using stereo. Stereo, my friend.
Oh, that's good. You did it really well. I just got an answer note. Yeah, I thought that had just been told out of the shed anyway. I don't know what causes it, whether it's the weather conditions or it's the solar activity. I don't really know new solar cycle at the moment, but I can remember it happening every now and again over the years when I've had a radio. But it's always good. I feel like I'm back home.
I mean, this is what it's all about. This is what I live for. Even when I go over the amateur side, it's good, but it ain't, you know what I mean? I think this is the number one. This is what it's all about, you know. CB 2781 and a nice bit of skip absolutely amazes me, mate.